Hello everyone, this is Raushin Khan back with another video. In today's video, I will be sharing the important updates regarding scholarship and also clearing up the queries I have received. Coming up to e-attestation ID and technical issues. Majority of the students are facing problem regards e-attestation and lot of technical issues. So dear candidates, there is an update with regards to this by Government of Minority. Dear applicant, if the documents which you had submitted for e-attestation are not reflecting in your concerned college e-attestation officer's login, then please visit your concerned department district officer with the original copy of the documents submitted and get it attested by them. Please note, SC/ST students should contact their concerned district social welfare or tribal welfare officer. OBC students should contact their concerned district backward classes welfare officer, and minority students should contact their concerned district extension officer. And there is a notification for first years who are studying in various courses are requested to wait till admission process is completed by the universities for submitting application through SSP, as admission data for first year students is yet to be received from most of the university. Last date of application submission will be extended for such students whose admission data has not yet been shared by the respective universities with SSP cell. Kindly cooperate. So this is a notification being updated in the SSP scholarship website. So visiting district office in this pandemic would be difficult. So what I suggest is, there are various concerned department helpline numbers. So you can try contacting them and inquire about the issues you're facing and get it sorted directly. So these are the helpline numbers. You need to contact to your concerned department to sort your issues, like social welfare department, tribal welfare department, department of minority welfare, backward classes welfare department, department of technical education. So try contacting them and sort your issues. Now coming up to date extension, I am happy to bring to your notice that date has been extended. I repeat, scholarship date has been extended. So there are the various department dates has been mentioned. Last day to submit application for backward classes welfare department scheme is 20/6/2021, and for social welfare department scheme is 15/6/2021, and for tribal welfare department scheme is 15/6/2021, and for minority welfare department scheme is 20/6/2021. So dates has been extended. Last date to submit application for Department of Technical Education is 31st. That was on 31st, it's over. Last date to submit for application for Department of Disability Welfare is 15/6/2021. So this was the update regarding your date extension for your scholarship. So the students who have not applied for scholarship, make sure that you apply for the scholarship. And coming up to the last part, income and caste certificate. Majority of the students are trying to apply for income and caste certificate. So I have an update. If you do not have a caste and income certificate, then please apply for same by online, clicking on the Nada Kacheri website. I'll be posting the link in the description, and submit the RD number that would be mentioned in the acknowledgement, and copy and complete your account creation process in your SSP. You need not wait until the certificates are issued for application submission. So the students who want to apply for scholarship and the reason is they do not have income and caste certificate, that is the reason they're just backing out. So you still have time. You can apply for your income and caste certificate online, and you can complete your SSP process. You just need to get your RD number. And the students who are not able to check in with this Nada Kacheri website, maybe in the next video I will help you all how to apply for income and caste certificate in Nada Kacheri website. So that was the update regards your scholarship. I hope all your doubts and queries have been cleared. Hold the vision, trust the process. Thank you. And yes, please subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, any doubts, or any guidance you require from me, just comment below. And if the video is useful, please like and share with others. Thank you all. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.